Okay guys, so this is how my room looks right now. I am going to paint it tomorrow, and like I already took out so many things, and this is the paint that I got it at Walmart. It's like a light gray, and I'm so excited. Finally, like after so many years, I'm going to paint my room gray, because I've been having it pink for like since I first moved in here, and I've been having the same everything. So yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys tomorrow how it's going to look when it's all painted. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is the full coat. With the second coat, it's really nice. I am so in love with it. Finally something different. And right now I'm just waiting for it to dry. And yeah. When I went to Home Goods, the only thing I ended up getting was a vase, a flower vase, and I got the flowers in white because I thought they'd match my room. I would have gotten them in red because roses honestly are my favorite flowers. And this is how it looks like. It's just fake flowers, and it comes in like this nice glass vase, and it was like $20. It was so expensive for this, but I mean, this was the only one that I liked, so yeah, that's the only thing I got. Okay guys, so I went to IKEA and I got my mirror, and I'm right here, and I just came back from work and I look crusty, and then this is my desk, and then here's my chair. It's the Skrusta swivel chair in white, and then this is the Mickey desk in white, and that's the Hovette mirror. And me and my brother are gonna set it up right now, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, we were done setting up the IKEA desk. Me and my brother struggled so hard right now to do this, to set it up, but it's done and it looks really good. The hardest part, I would have to say, was putting in the what are these called, the freaking drawers. It's literally 2 a.m. and right now we're just finishing it up. And then here's the mirror, and then now I'm just gonna set up the chair, and I'm also gonna add my Impressions vanity mirror right here. Got my mirror already, and I put it on my Mickey desk, and I'm so upset because some of the bulbs didn't come with the little I don't know what it's called, the base of the bulb, and some of them they're like so fragile and they shattered. And some of them came shattered, so I'm gonna call them Impressions Vanity and telling them that to send me some new ones or something, because I'm really upset that those broke. But other than that, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Let me turn it on. so you guys can see. It's just on the side right here. And then you turn it on. And it lights up the room like really, really good. Like, let me turn off these lights right here. So this is it with the both of my lights on. And without it, it still lights up really good. But it's so pretty, I love it. But yeah, that's the only downside, was the bulbs. And I also put it on the bottom of a fur carpet. And yeah, and I know I sound tired right now, and I'm also sick, so excuse my voice because I've been like running around. But yeah, and this is my mirror. And then I'm not gonna do a room tour yet until I finish like completely redecorating my room, because right now it's like so messy. Like everything's on the floor right now because it's not done yet. And I still need to buy another one of the fur pillows, because I bought it at Forever 21, and I only bought one because there wasn't two. So I'm waiting for it to restock up again so I can buy the other matching pillow. But yeah, so far so good. I'm excited to show you guys the finished look of this room.